pagmamahal. Sa pag-ibig ko sa'yo, ginawa ko naman lahat. Bakit ngayon ako'y iniwan mo?
Pero maganda yung blue.
Wala bang halaga?
I don't even need a single word I say. It's only a word. Words are
The first to cry, I'm not the first to know. We're just looking over you. You know I'm just a fool who wants to leave, but deep around the way for you. You really get to see there's nothing else for me to do. I'm hopelessly devoted to you. But now there's nowhere to hide since you pushed my love aside. I'm hopelessly devoted to you. Hopelessly devoted to you. Ooh, hopelessly devoted to you. You gave me dignity, somehow you needed me. Gave me strength to stand alone again. Face the world, all on my road again. You and me high, above every star, so high that I could almost see eternity. You needed me, you needed me, and I can't believe it's you. I can't believe it's true. I needed you, and you were there, and I never leave. I should not leave. I'd be a fool, 'cause I finally found someone who really cares. You held my hand when it was cold, when I was lost. You took me home, you gave me hope. When I was on the edge, turned my life back into truth again. You even called me friend, gave me strength to stand alone again. Face the world, all on my own again. You put me high, above the best stuff, so high that I could almost see eternity. You needed me, you needed me. I'd like to tell you I love you, and maybe hold you close and say these words as gently as I can. You're still a man that I need and I love, but that doesn't mean I love you less. And you know it's endlessly, and you know it's never real. It's just something inside of me that only can feel. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving both of you is breaking all the rules. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving both is breaking all the rules. Yes, it's your time. Just because there's someone else, you were the first real love I ever had. And all the things I ever said, I swear they still are true. No one else can have the body I gave to you. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving one of you is breaking all the rules. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving both is breaking all the rules. I couldn't really you, you can turn and go away. But with everything I feel inside, I'm asking you to stay. Torn between two lovers, feeling like a fool. Loving both of you is breaking. It was fine, left me quiet for a while. I look at the call, those days I had with you. Sometimes I need a friend just to make it through. Another day still without you. You gave me all the reasons to leave. Then you had to go, and I just got to it. You know, it's hard to love again, just to make it through. Another day is spent without you. And I don't wanna go pretending that it's gonna be a happy day. If I could love again, once I learn to love again. And no, it will never be the same without you, baby. This pain inside me driving me crazy, because it's hard to love her. All around, waiting for me, stir a silence in the bedroom. All around, touch me now. I close my eyes, dream away. Must have been love, that's over now. Must have been good, but I lost it somehow. Must have been love.
Dito ako mag-harvest. Harvest kangkong tayo. Ganda. Mag-harvest tayo ng kangkong. Ito. Dahil malakas ang ulan kahapon. Ha? Yung alin? Oo.
150 yun, pwede na yun kung ba't makukunin mo.
Oo.
Pwede na magpapalo, meron ka ng gardina.
Kaya nga. Tapos ang gusto ko kasi pampadagdag ng dugo. Anemic ako eh. Anemic ako pero madali ako magalit.
Kaya gusto mangyari, lalagyan ko siya ng isko.
Good morning guys. Yan, na-harvest ko. Mega love shoutout. Dami kong petsay. Alin, nabili na kayo. Fresh petsay. Bibili na.
Ano pagdala ng sakyan?
Ganyan lang, may sako.
Hindi, paano? Lipat mo sa malaking baso.
Hindi ka naman daw. Kung magbabas ka, hindi mo naman.
Ano yung loob niyan?
Padala ka yan.
Pinakita natin din yung sabi ko nasuha. Ganyan eh.
Hindi.
Ano yung bunga niya? Ano yung ano niya? Itsura? Maliliit yung buto?
Hindi ganun. Siya. Siya.
Ano siya natuyo kasi di ba umaayun ng tag-araw? Tapos na hindi siya masyado. Ito na nga, ito buo.
Yan, dalawa nilang. Dali mo na lang sa inyo. Pag-isipan niya.
Hindi ka pa assure dyan eh.
Di ba nag-talbos nga ako? May talbos din siya. Gusto ko rin talbos. Pero may talbos more. Diba? Good. First time
What's up?
sa'yo.
Baka po niya, pre. Baking kamyan.
Oo. Fake kamyas. Fake. Lagay ko na lahat dito.
It's almost like an apple, right?
Oo, same dito with apple.
Similar, yeah.
Lagay ko na dito ha.
Pwede nga siguro kasaan yun eh. Eh, ano ba?
Ay, tayong dalawa pala kasi hati ko na sa kanya.
Saan mo na ba sidling ito din?
Oh, yeah.
Yan na, kuha dito. Yan, sa'yo na yan oh.
So what do you do with that? You put that, chop that up, put it in the salad? What do you normally do with it? Oh, that's you?
Alam mo yung taba, tapos yung ano, lagyan mo ng taba yung kaya yan, di ba? Yung mga dry bahay. Tapos taba. Na, ano yun? Tambakol ba yun? Pipipitin ka nga, hindi nasisira yun.
She makes her pork adobo now with apple.
With apple?
Yeah, she puts apple in there, and it's really, really good.
Yung ano yun ha, the chicken also is really good.
Sa'yo din?
Sa'yo yan. Kukuha ko ng talbos. Ito, dagdagan mo ko.
Look at them robbing your property. Right? They're a bunch of thieves.
I love your property.
May gusto pa kasi mo, Ate Judith, you want to take
He doesn't grow after you guys to roll through and pick what you want, you know.
Oo.